Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody and this is House of Hosting Heaven. Wow, it's been a minute, hey? I think it's been a couple of weeks now. So I thought I should drop by and certainly just say hi and give you a little bit of an update. If I'm not around, I always want you to know where you can actually find me because I'm always available somewhere in the socials. So first of all, I think the biggest thing that has been happening in my life is just leaning into this wife thing, learning, learning what I'm doing, learning, trying to figure out what I'm doing here. It's been so much fun. It's been such a great experience. I got married on the 2nd of January, so literally this is our 8th month, and we turned 9 on the 2nd of September. And it's just been such a beautiful experience. But I think what you learn is that it is definitely a new experience, it's a new encounter. Leaving with someone, sharing your life with someone, learning to be responsible for a human being, and just learning to be a wife. So I've really been prioritizing certain facets of just myself, growing certain facets of myself, just learning how to really cook for a family, learning how to just be present, like really be truly present, because your first year only happens once. And if you are on Instagram, you guys should follow me on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, you know I've been posting a lot of very quick recipes there, and I'll be posting quite a lot more as well. I actually intend to, at some point in time, have a bit of a cooking session here on this channel. Imagine like a House of Hosting Heaven cooking playlist. You know what I mean? Like just inspirational recipes that I've personally been cooking, that are quick, that are easy, but that are also nutritious and helpful. So that's something that I've been doing, just learning how to be a wife, and it's been so beautiful. What else? What else has been happening in my life? As many of you know, the Hosting Heaven conference happens in the last few months of the year, and this year's Hosting Heaven conference is on its way. I am incredibly excited, and I've been having such a great time just putting things together, identifying the speakers for this year. Let me tell you something. We are not deserving of the women that are coming to minister the word of God to us this year. I lie not. We are not deserving at all. And the theme is seasons and times. And this is actually our official 2021 Hosting Heaven conference sweater. And I'm super excited. So it takes a lot of work to really put the conference together, a lot of logistics, a lot of just like leaning into God, trying to figure out what He wants for the conference. So that's been taking up quite a lot of my time. I might even put a little bit of a clip here of the time when we went for a photo shoot and got some photos taken for the upcoming conference. I'm super excited to be sharing more details on the speakers that are going to be coming through. But let me tell you something. There is a couple of speakers there. There's one particular speaker, couple of speakers that I know you guys are gonna love because they're friends of the show. They've been friends of Hosting Heaven for the longest time. And I've just been waiting for the opportune time for them to come through at the conference and just trusting God for their yes as well, because they're very busy people. Ooh, you guys are gonna love them. I have also been really creating content for my other channel. I don't know if a lot of you know this, but I created a new channel, and it's really something that I felt God had been impressing over my heart for a long time. Some of you might know I am actually a professional in finance, and I have over half a decade experience as a cost and management accountant, and I've always wanted to create content that kind of leans into my profession and create a platform that really helps Black women, flourish in their money psychology and flourish in their relationship with money. And so it's something that I've been shelving because I really sensed that God was telling me that I was going to get my release at 10,000 subscribers. So this community, gathering up this kind of following has permitted me to also step into a certain dimension of my assignment, which is the finance dimension. And so the channel is called Honest 33. It's very new, very small, but I really want to encourage you if you're a woman and if you are growing in your money mentality, if you want to learn more about how money is connected to many of the things that happen in your childhood. I tell a lot of stories and I really unpack money mentalities there. And we're going to be doing a lot of inner work and deep diving into our childhoods to really figure out what is the reason why we have some of the money habits that we have as grown-up people. We're going to be sharing a lot of resources there, so I really encourage you to go and subscribe to that channel. Let's hit 100 subscribers, guys. Please, let's hit 100 subscribers on that finance channel. I would really be grateful for that. My husband and I have also been putting quite a lot of work in building our youth ministry at church. A lot of it is still, like just stuff that's written down, like our desire to see and to nurture and to grow the youth ministry in our local church, which is really a small, intimate local church that God has been, building and growing at His pace. So one of the things that we were focusing on doing is to create a platform online where we can really speak to young people who are young, gifted, and called. And we did a session this month, and it was called the Young, Gifted, and Called session, and we called it episode 1. So we're trying as much as possible to just show up online and to pour into young people that are called, whether in corporate, whether in ministry. God has asked you to start something. These sessions are really powerful, and I really want to encourage you to be a part of them. So I'm going to put a link in right here at the bottom of our church Instagram page, and I want you to follow us, and I want you to go and take a listen to the 3 sessions that we had. The first 3 sessions were coming with the second installment again of the Young, Gifted, and Called sessions, where we really just speak to young people's struggles in the places of their assignment. So we've been busy really just building that as well. So be a part of that. And while we're at it, maybe I should just also give you guys a heads up that there's a book. There's a book on its way, and it is in the final stages. And I'm super excited about it. And the funny thing about it is that for people that are regulars here, it's not going to be something completely new. You're gonna love it, and I'm super excited about it. So I've been really busy, guys. And even the videos that I take on a weekly basis, it's because I have such a great love for this platform, and I always want to pour out. But as you can see, I lead a little bit of a busy life. So keep praying for me so that I continue to show up. I'm super expectant to come back again and do Bible studies with you guys. I literally don't mind coming back from work and having bad lighting, but filming these videos for you, because Bible study is so important. It's so crucial. And I wanted to also edify me as I pour into you. So Bible studies are coming back soon as well. And I think to sum it all up, I think I've just been trying to take some time to really build some foundational structural things that also help me to be the very best that I can. When I show up on this channel, you don't want to show up on this channel while your house is in shambles, while your ministry with your husband is going haywire, while you're not pursuing that book idea that God asked you to do, or while you're not really working on the logistics behind the conference and pushing it and advancing it so that it actually comes out the best it can. So that's what's been happening. Let me know what's been happening in your life. What's one new thing that God has been doing in your life that has been exciting to you. I want to hear a little bit about your journey as well. So in the comment section below, remember we always say the comment section is your friend. Super excited to be back, and I'm probably going to film a video literally soon after this, and I'm still going to be in this tracksuit. I'm going to be in this really cute sweater, which is available to people that are in South Africa. Unfortunately, because of Corona, because of courier logistics, we unfortunately can't ship this around around the world. But if you're in South Africa and you would like a if you would like this sweater, which is our 2021 Hosting Heaven conference sweater, let me know in the DMs, or you can use my email that's going to be in the description box below, and just let me know that you would like to order, and then we will give you details on how we can get that to happen as soon as possible. So yeah, see you in the next video. We're back at it. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing. Let us keep building this platform together. Keep well. Take care. Bye.